Read along passage. Part 8. Taking care of a pet. Read along in simple English. Practice reading, listening, and speaking. I have a pet dog at home. I have a pet dog at home. He is small, friendly, and very playful. He is small, friendly, and very playful. Every morning, I give him fresh food and clean water. Every morning, I give him fresh food and clean water. He wags his tail when he is happy. He wags his tail when he is happy. I take him for a walk in the park. I take him for a walk in the park. He runs, plays, and enjoys the fresh air. He runs, plays, and enjoys the fresh air. I also give him a bath and brush his fur. I also give him a bath and brush his fur. This keeps him clean, healthy. This keeps him clean, healthy. Pets need love, care, and attention. Pets need love, care, and attention. Taking care of a pet makes me responsible. Taking care of a pet makes me responsible. My pet is like a best friend. My pet is like a best friend. He gives me joy and happiness every day. He gives me joy and happiness every day. Here's the vocabulary with meanings for topic 8. Taking care of a pet. Pet. An animal kept at home for love and companionship. Friendly. Kind, helpful, and easy to like. Playful. Full of fun and wanting to play. Fresh. New, clean, not old. Wags. Moves the tail from side to side. Park. A public place with trees and open space for walking and playing. Fur. The thick hair that covers an animal's body. Responsible. Able to take care of something properly. Attention. Care and focus given to someone or something. Joy. A strong feeling of happiness. Great job reading with me. Please like, comment, and subscribe to English Vault. Tap the bell for more easy English stories. Do you have a pet? Tell me about it in the comments. At English Vault.